Like, I heard about the exhibit in the news. So I really wanted to go. I tried to go Saturday, couldn't go, so I was expecting it would be, I would learn.
And at first when I went in, I was like really shocked, you know? It was just like, I had never seen the human body displayed in that way.
It's very interesting because each room have different exhibits. And you see things that you don't really expect to see.
And it progressed from simple bone structure, muscle structure, nerves, circulatory, and it just got more complex.
The first thing that got me was when we first walked in, that where they had the skeletal representation, and then right opposite that was the muscular representation of the same person, and you realize how really unique the body is.
The full body is remarkable.
Every actual figure was artistic. It wasn't just a cadaver. It was looking back at you.
I've never seen anything like it. I like the brain, showing the brain part, just seeing all the insides.
But I don't think about, oh God, look how cool. My brain goes down my spine, and that's why I'm able to, move everything. And, yeah, it just makes me very aware.
And then you hit the blood vessel part.
You walk into a totally dark room that's illuminated by very few lights, and what lights there are shining almost scarlet due to the fact that they're shining through the circulatory system. And to see a full life-size, from a person, representation of the circulatory system preserved like that and displayed is just awe-inspiring.
The blood system was very cool. I saw a whole human body made out of veins in the display case, so it was so cool.
It gave me a dimensionality that you can't get from a book, but until you see it and you can actually get that close and look at the three-dimensionalness of it, it's absolutely incredible.
It makes you more aware that there's more below the surface.
And it teaches people a lot of things. I've noticed people in here that were drawing, a lot of them were writing, and these are students like in school, and to me, it's a learning point for them.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty interesting. I learned a lot about the human body. I thought they were going to be fake. The bone, the body parts. But I got something totally different.
I don't know that I've ever seen any other medium that expressed the human body in such a complete way or such an understandable way.
We don't realize what the inside of our bodies look like, and this is a perfect example to show us.
Coming in, I didn't know exactly what it was going to be or how graphic it was going to be, but in the end, I came out feeling great. Like, I learned a whole bunch of things, and I wasn't offended by anything. And I can say it was a very positive experience.
We know that these are dead bodies. We know that. But the way they've got them preserved and everything, I think is fabulous. I really do.
I thought the exhibit was absolutely mind-boggling.
It's almost difficult to find the right adjectives to describe this exhibit.
The best way I can describe it is just amazing.
By going through it and looking at everything makes me want to go home and take care of my body.
And it makes me also appreciate the fact that we have a responsibility to take care of others, as well as our families, our children, in a whole different way than had just in this little hour and a half. It has hit me in a whole different way that I would have ever imagined without seeing it.
I would recommend this for anybody to realize, what they're really walking around in all day. It's an amazing event. I think that's why so many people are really here, is because, what's more marvelous than yourself?